as ways to muster the courage and try something new and something different so that you're even better the next time around you have an opportunity. Hey, everybody. I'm so glad to be back with you today. It's Shannyn Lee, the Director of Coaching at Win Without Pitching. And let's jump in with our question from Anna Bolton.
Hi, Blair and Shannyn. It's Anna Bolton. I was speaking with a couple of leads this week who I could potentially price based on performance. I could command a percentage of the lift in, say, conversion rate, but I think it's complicated now because past data, you possibly can't extrapolate to the future in terms of sales. So many things are affecting sales right now. You can't assume that a difference in sales is due to the work that I do. And conversely, if their market tanks, I shouldn't, have to carry that. So how would you price based on performance in this market? I hope that makes sense. Thank you.
Thanks, Anna. Yeah, great question. Makes great sense. And I know Blair had the opportunity to give you some guidance there. And I just wanted to jump in and also just encourage you to feel good about taking the time during the COVID crisis or any time to view these opportunities in these sales conversations as ways to practice, as ways to sharpen your sales skills, as ways to muster the courage and try something new and something different so that you're even better the next time around you have an opportunity to have a sales conversation. When you're talking about pay for performance specifically, that's usually tied to having a value conversation. And the value conversation is something that requires a lot of practice to master. And it can feel messy and it can feel like you're fumbling into it in the early days of trying it out. But the beautiful thing about a value conversation and learning how to do it, even when it's not perfect, is that you're putting all of that focus on the client and you're really digging into their future wants beyond their needs and really beginning to understand how might we measure success here? And then further, how might we attach value to it in the form of compensation? And so I just want to give you an atta-girl for getting out there and thinking about it and trying new ways to price and exploring different ideas, because this is the time to do it. We need to help each other more than ever. It's in everybody's best interest that all of our businesses survive this. And the only way that we're going to get that done is by being brave and trying new things and being creative with how we might work together during these challenging times. So cheers to you, Anna. Thanks so much for submitting the question. And you're killing it on the copywriting front for Win Without Pitching, by the way. So I just wanted to say a personal thanks. I'm videoing in from my voiceover booth today. And I wanted to encourage all of you to check out winwithoutpitching.com/AMA, winwithoutpitching.com/askmeanything, and register to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then also make sure that you click that little red bell notification that's going to allow you to get a inbox notification when we've answered any and all of the questions that are coming in. This is our way of helping you right now during this pandemic. I wish all of you well, and I look forward to the next question you submit. Take care. Cheers.